Alright guys, this is the house we're breaking into. But where's a mask? I don't have enough money to get masks. I'm poor. Look, Goofy, you go to the front and rob into there. I'm gonna go in the back. Okay. Hey, Mario, what about us? You two go rob other houses or do whatever you want. Just rob the house, okay? I'm gonna rob the shed. Well, there's gonna be nothing in the shed. Shut up. It's like these people are robbing this house. We need to go save the house. Well, not the house, but we need to make sure everything goes okay. I don't know. Just go in. I'm going through the front. I'm gonna rob the car. I'm gonna go rob that over there. Okay, that might be a problem. Oh wait, it's not. We hover by hands. Nah, whatever. Are you getting it? Gotta rub this and get that. Oh yeah, I forgot to play my show last night. Go watch me some TV before I go to sleep again. Oh man, this is a good show. Oh man, the car. This reminds me of that race we had.
And hey, what happened to our race?
I don't know. Hello, I am Piglet's stupid brother, and I'm here at the house currently being robbed. It's right here. And don't ask why I'm on the porch. Anyway, this house is being robbed. So, if anyone could, call the cops or something, well, when I could do that, but I'm lazy, so I'm not gonna do it. But this is like a busy street and stuff, so, whoa, no bus. Okay, peace. And oh yeah, the criminals, they're not wearing masks, so we know who they are. Okay, so these robbers is a group. It's a group made by, like, somebody that wants to rob stuff and do crimes. But, okay, the group contains, like, Mario, Goofy, Sonic, and Tails. If you catch them, you will get $1,000. I'm not joking. You will get $1,000. So, we'll put up a picture of the criminals. And if you catch them, like I said, you get $1,000. So, if you want that money, this is now your chance. Oh man, our house is being robbed. It looks like mine, but I don't think it is my house. I'm just gonna go back to sleep. I'm tired. Oh man, it's been a long day. I wanna go to sleep.